There's our little babies. Hi, Stanley. Be sweet, okay? I really don't want to get beat up today, if you don't mind. Can you move? Move, Stanley. Yeah. I really came in here just to get the turkeys some water, but since I'm here, let's look at these babies a couple days old. Yeah, I know y'all got no water. I'm sorry, I forgot this morning. Hi, little precious babies. You munching on, looks like hay and straw in there. Oh, goodness. Okay, we're into everything. Come here, little guys. I'm sorry you have no water. I got caught up in twins this morning. Hi. Y'all looking good. Got little full tummies this morning. You must have had a good breakfast. Oh. Hello, dear. Hey, you get kisses? Yes, you're so sweet. I just love my little goaty cuddles. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, here. You can get down. They like to go outside. Oh, you feeling yourself today? You feeling yourself, Snickerdoodle? You are, aren't you? There ain't nothing in there for you. You're a little too little for that. Oh, come here, Snickers. I know, I got you cornered. Moon Pie. You got some... Oh, get off your brother. You gonna get trapped, Snickerdoodle. Well, hi. Hi, proud daddy. I saw on camera they were trying to jump on you. And you want nothing to do with them babies. Typical dad. They are a lot when they start jumping around. Don't jump on me, you stinky goat. Little mama, she's doing good. She's so attentive and sweet. Will you stop chasing me? It's not about you anymore. Yes, it is. I still love you, Diesel. You stink, but you're still sweet. Okay, little turkeys. There's my little ugly turkeys. They're not waiting patiently for water. Oof! Get off of me. Stop jumping on me, you needy. Oh, get off of me. I'm trying to be with the babies. Stop rubbing your stank on me. What are you doing? He's gonna holler. What are you doing? Hi. Yes, hi. Little girl's down there. I'm holding Snickerdoodle. I can't believe he's not hollering. It's too cold to go outside today, y'all. All right, daily dose of babies.